Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. I'm frustrated. I'm frustrated because there is a terrible cost resulting from the huge success and popularity of Tesla in Hong Kong. We now have 50,000 Tesla owners in Hong Kong. In my previous videos, I have mentioned that in 2022 alone, over 50% of all new private cars in Hong Kong were EVs, and the majority of these EVs, about 20,000, were Teslas. In fact, the trend indicates that by the end of this year, 2023, all new private cars sold will be EVs. I doubt this will actually be the case for the full 2023 statistics, since there are still many petrol heads and laggards in Hong Kong who prefer ICE cars. But I will happily accept over 75% of all new private cars bought this year in 2023 being electric. This is huge and bodes well for the electrification of transport in Hong Kong. Due to the fast adoption of EVs in Hong Kong, it seems we are way ahead of the Hong Kong government's target for banning the sale of ICE cars by 2035. I can even be bold and say that all new private cars in Hong Kong will be EVs before 2030. So, with all this great news about EV adoption, why am I frustrated? It's because of this. And this. And this. And plenty more like this. I've just received a quote for my Tesla car insurance renewal, and my new premium, instead of naturally going down with my accumulated no claims bonus, is about the same as my current premium. I called my insurance agent to check if there was a mistake, and she said no. The reason why my premium has not significantly reduced is because of all the crashes and claims made by these new Tesla owners. You see, insurance companies group Tesla together, and these new Tesla owners are ruining it for the rest of us. People who crash their Teslas are called Teslans by the locals. It's a derogatory word for being a jerk, and this is the reputation Tesla drivers are getting. In other countries, we have seen Tesla haters keying Teslas and generally dissing Tesla owners. Here in Hong Kong, any incident involving a Tesla is immediately uploaded and labelled a Teslan event. There are plenty of comments criticizing and laughing at the unfortunate Tesla drivers. This insurance premium increase is not unique to Tesla. Hong Kong taxi drivers are notorious here for being terrible drivers because of frequent collisions and fatalities involving taxis. Because of this, the average annual premium increased over 20% from 28,000 Hong Kong dollars in 2019 to $34,000 in 2020. I don't have the latest figures, but I'm sure they have not reduced recently. But coming back to new EV owners, I have said this before in my previous videos, people need guidance lessons on how to drive their new EVs, and the automakers who sell EVs should take the lead and offer guidance lessons to their new customers. In this way, they can hopefully help reduce the number of traffic accidents involving EVs. From my perspective, I really want new Tesla owners to be more careful about driving in Hong Kong and to safely learn about all the features that their new EVs have to offer. Now, just as I was about to finish this video, I saw the news about a drunk Tesla driver crashing at 3 o'clock in the morning. Again, this person ruins it for the rest of the Tesla community in Hong Kong. Whether he is a new Tesla owner or not, we don't know, but he has been drinking. Tesla haters will not be bothered about that significant detail because to Tesla haters, this is just another Teslan or jerk driving a Tesla and crashing it. To Tesla haters, all Tesla drivers are jerks, and the insurance companies apparently agree with this, which is why our insurance premiums are high. What do you think? Please share your comments below. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay safe, particularly if you are a new EV owner.